Great place. This place is really nice. The spacious rooms are clean with comfy beds. This feels like home. We'll definitely check in again in the future. Very nice, great hotel. Room was lovely as was the location. Would recommend. Value for money. We recently stayed at the charming and affordable new Linden Hotel, and it exceeded all our expectations. The cozy rooms were spotlessly clean, and the hotel's convenient location near a variety of dining options and facilities made my stay incredibly enjoyable. The affordable price was a pleasant surprise, offering exceptional value for money. The friendly staff were always ready to assist and made us feel right at home. We highly recommend this gem for anyone seeking a comfortable and budget-friendly stay in a prime location. Nice hotel. In my experience, it is a good hotel with clean rooms and bathrooms. The room is small, but for the price it is worth it. Exceptional. It's clean, spacious and comfortable to stay with 2 kids. Excellent hotel. 5-star, star emoji, star emoji, star emoji, star emoji, star emoji. Place for a fraction of the cost. Professional, polite, friendly staff. Super clean. Great continental breakfast. Long-term user and the standard never drops. Thank you. Great stay. Lovely, friendly, accommodating staff. Clean, cozy room. Excellent staff. I had a misfortune when I was on the way to the hotel and need to call up the police. The owner together with his son took the step extra to help with dealing with the bureaucracy of the police, who is not so helpful. Thank you once again, Mr. Mo and Mr. Asharf. Great choice. Such a lovely hotel, really worth the money. Accessible location, lovely staff who are so kind and helpful. My room was spacious, clean, comfortable. Would definitely return and recommend.